Hello everyone, this is Kevin. I come from TAWOIA electronic technology company. Now we are Canton Fair. We have some new products I want to show you. Come with me. This is our new product. It's floor light. We have a new function. There's a motion sensor, PIR, and also the temperature color change. We have a 5 color change. And also we have other products I want to show you. Come with me. See, this is a double German socket. This was our new. And this is grand socket, German socket with port A, port C. Here has faster charging USB 1.8 to Type C. This is 65 volts. That's all our new products. So if you have time, welcome to our booth. Our booth number is 164515. Thank you for your time.